Introduce highlight features or overview summary for JIE JIN Portable Tumbler Heat Press Machine, 30 ounces, DIY Mug Cup Heat Transfer Print, 110 volt, Sublimation Tumbler Heat Press Machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. With a power of 500 watt and a temperature range of 0 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 220 degrees Celsius. This tumbler sublimation machine can quickly and accurately transfer your designs onto mugs with a diameter of 2.83 to 3.43 inches. The digital screen allows you to easily control the temperature and time. Adjust the pressure knob before use, set the heating temperature and time when the machine preheats and reaches the preset heating temperature. Just wrap the sublimation transfer paper on the surface of the cup, put the cup into the heating pad, press firmly the handle is enough, and the machine beeps when the heat transfer is completed. The bottom of the handle of the tumbler sublimation machine is equipped with a micro switch. You only need to press the handle to start the heat pressing. Pull the handle in the opposite direction and the machine will immediately stop the heat pressing process. This tumbler sublimator is perfect for creating personalized gifts for a variety of occasions including birthdays, anniversaries, retirement, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. Customize your mugs with meaningful photos and designs to make them truly unique. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.